Nails tend to be an important part of women's beauty routines, and I have some tips on how to make your routine less toxic for you, your pockets, and the planet, all without having to leave your home. Hey y'all, it's Ashley Renne, and welcome back to my Green Living channel, where I show you sustainable and vegan-friendly ways to have a healthier body, home, and planet. Today's video is all about your nails. Now, at the time that I'm recording this, we are in the middle of a global health crisis that has caused millions of women around the world to stay at home, which means no visits to the nail salon. But not to worry, my eco-friendly nail care tips can help keep your nails looking beautiful from the comfort of your home. And FYI, all my product recommendations can be found in the description. So last summer, I completely changed my nail care routine when I found out, 1, most nail polish is not vegan, 2, a lot of nail polish is packed with toxic chemicals, and 3, traditional nail salons tend to produce a lot of waste, something I've been actively trying to cut back on. So here are 3 sustainable steps you can take to do your nails at home that are less toxic to your health, will save you money, it's better for the environment, doesn't harm animals, and I even found a brand of nail polish that lasts 2 weeks. Let's begin. Step 1, remove your nail polish with reusable bamboo cotton rounds. Single-use cotton products are wasteful. Between using cotton balls to wipe off nail polish and disposable cotton rounds to clean our faces, a lot of cotton ends up in the trash. On top of that, it takes 20,000 liters of water to produce 1 kilogram of cotton, which is essentially a t-shirt. Switching to a reusable option cuts down on water waste, means less cotton in landfills, and saves you from having to spend money on disposable beauty products that you have to replenish as soon as you run out. So I bought this 20 pack of organic reusable bamboo cotton rounds that comes with a tiny laundry bag for washing. I use these to remove polish, makeup, wipe my cell phone down with alcohol. If you use toner, you can use it for that too. I'm sure there are a lot of ways these can come in handy in your life. Step 2, remove your polish with natural polish remover. So let's talk about toxins. I mentioned earlier that there are harmful chemicals in polish, but the same also goes for polish remover. Just think about that smell that fills your nostrils the moment you twist the lid off that remover. It smells toxic. Plus, polish remover usually comes in a disposable plastic bottle. Luckily, there are more natural and zero waste ways to remove polish. It can be tricky to find one that's low cost and effective, but you do have options. The one I use is natural and soy-based with lavender essential oil. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and acetone-free. It comes in a glass bottle and they use soy-based ink. So no plastic means less harm to our planet. Step 3, paint your nails with non-toxic vegan nail polish. Traditional nail polish is problematic for our bodies and the earth because of the harmful toxins and animal-derived ingredients. When I first found out nail polish isn't vegan, I was perplexed. But it's true. Some of these strange ingredients include crushed beetles, fish scales, and animal fat, which then sent me down a rabbit hole of research where I also learned that the chemicals I was exposing myself to can harm our skin, our immune systems, and hormonal development. Why though? My first reaction was to go to the beauty store and find some non-toxic vegan nail polish. Okay, y'all, wish me luck. So I'm weaning myself off of getting my nails professionally done, and I'm instead going to be investing in non-toxic vegan nail polish. They only had one brand, Pacifica, that met the criteria. So I bought 2 colors, a base coat and a top coat, and in an effort to be cleaner, nail polish companies started using terms like 3 free, 5 free, 7 free, 9 free, and 13 free to indicate that they are free of certain chemicals. Pacifica is one of those brands. It's labeled as 7 free, meaning it's formulated without the following toxins: parabens, formaldehyde, resin, toluene, phthalates, xylene, and camphor. They have a lot of pretty colors, and I love that it's vegan, but it starts to chip after a few days. So I wondered if by choosing sustainable nail care, did that mean I had to forego the long-lasting effects of gel and powder nail finishes? Thankfully not. My aunt sent me a link to a brand that seemed too good to be true. It was vegan, non-toxic, and promised to last as long as gel polish. I was skeptical, so I ordered one of their mini kits to try it without committing to the bigger quantities. Similar to gel polish, it requires a few steps to work. It comes with nail prep, a base coat, polish, and a top coat. The first step is to prep your nails by saturating a reusable cotton round and scrubbing each nail to clean it. Then you apply 2 coats of the base coat, followed by 2 coats of the nail color, and finally the top coat. The exact instructions are on the box. The color lasted me about a week and a half before I experienced my first chip. So yes, non-toxic vegan polish definitely exists, and even more exciting, there's one in the market that can even compete with gel polish and has a shiny gel finish. So that's it. That's my 3-step process for eco-friendly, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free nail care you can do without leaving your home. Whether you're watching this during the quarantine or sometime in the future when it's safe to venture out into our world again, I hope you'll still consider these options no matter what. Because as always, every little step you take, living a more conscious, sustainable life, helps us have healthier bodies, healthier homes, and a healthier planet. If you learned something in this video, or if you just liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable and plant-based lifestyle tips. Until next time, y'all, stay safe out there and keep on living an adventurously green life.